Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to our Hindi class. Children, I hope you all are safe at home and ready to learn the new topic from our textbook. Shabdavyas textbook. Children, I hope some of you have this textbook with you. So those who are having the textbook, you can see in this textbook. Remaining children, listen carefully. Children, first I will read the heading of this page. चित्र पहचान कर सही शब्द पर गोला बनाइए. It means see the picture and circle the correct word. See which word is correct or belongs to this picture. We have to circle the word. So first picture is here. See children, what is the first picture is here? Can you observe it? This is a hot pot. Hot one. In Hindi, we'll call it as garam. What is that? Garam. So first we will read the words. Kalama kalam. Is this kalam? No. This is not a kalam. Kalasha kalash. Is this kalash? No. In three letter words we learned kalash, isn't it? But this is not kalash. See, garama garam. Garam means hot. So garam is the correct word. So circle this garam. Garam. And see the next picture. I'll read the words, three words. All of you listen. Aurata. Aurat. Palaka. Palak. Pakada. Pakad. See children, aurat means woman, isn't it? So in this picture woman is there? No. Next, palaka palak. Palak means this eyelash. Eyelash is called as palak. Pakad means catching. This is not correct word. This word is not belongs to this picture. So palak is the correct word. Palak. So circle this palak. Palak means eyelash. This eyelash. Okay children. The next picture. See this picture. What is this? We learned this one also. What is this? Mahal. So where is the mahal word? We'll read. See children. Mahala mahal. Mahaka mahak. Matara matar. So which one is mahal? This first word is mahal. Mahala mahal. So this word is belongs to this picture. So mahal is the correct word. So I'll circle this word. The next picture. See this picture children. What do you see in this picture? Button. What is this picture? Button. So we'll find out the button word from these three words. Palaka palak, batana button, kamara kamar. So where is the button word? In the middle. Middle word is the button. Once again I'll read it. See, batana button. So in this picture button is there. So this is the word belongs to this picture. So I will circle batana button. Circle this button. Next picture children. See this picture. What do you see in this picture? There is a crop. What is this? Crop. In English we'll call this picture as crop. So in Hindi we'll call it as fasal. Fasal. So we'll read the three words given here. We'll find out where is the fasal. See children. Batana button. Button picture is here? No. Fasala fasal. So the fasal picture is here. So this word belongs to this picture. So we'll circle the fasal. This is mahaka mahak. Fasal. Fasal. Okay children. The next picture, see. I'll read the words. Kamara, Kamar. Kamala, Kamal. Kalasha, Kalash. Kalash is here in this picture? No. Kamal is here? No. What is this picture? Kamar. This part will called as in Hindi Kamar. So Kamara, Kamar. Kamara, Kamar. So I'll circle this one. Kamar. Next, see children, here somebody is catching the butterfly. See this. So holding or catching. So what we will call it in Hindi? Pakad. Pakad. So see children, the word is pakad. Pakada, pakad. Kalasha, kalash. Garama, garam. So which word is the correct word in this picture? Belongs to this picture? Pakada, pakad. Pakada, pakad. Pakada, pakad. Pakada, pakad. Children, all of you observe carefully the picture and which word is I am circling. Okay children. Next, see this picture. What is here? Honey. What is this? Honey bottle is here and honey is also here. See. Shahada, shahad. Kasaka, kasak. Kalama, kalam. In Hindi, what we will call honey? Shahada, shahad. Shahada, shahad. So circle this. Shahad. 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 Shahada, shahad. Shahada, shahad. In the next picture, see. Now you tell me what is this? This is kalam. So we'll find out the kalam word. Kamala, kamal. Kalama, kalam. Kalasha, kalash. So which word is the correct word? Kalama, kalam is the correct word. So we have to circle this. Kalama, kalam. Kalama, kalam. Kalama, kalam. Next, the last picture. See children, what do you see in this picture? Here is a woman is here. See. Garama, garam. Aurata, aurat. Palaka, palak. So aurat is the correct word. Aurat, this word belongs to this picture. So circle this. Aurat. Aurata, aurat. Aurata, aurat. Children, I hope you understood the topic of and circle the correct word. See the picture and circle the correct word. What is today's topic is? See the picture and circle the correct word. So all of you see this picture and learn these words. Tomorrow I will give you the written work. Until then, take care. Bye bye.